factorization. Do you see the topic on the board? Very simple. So for us to factorize this expression, x squared minus 7x plus 12, we will find two numbers that the sum will give us the b and the multiple, the product will give us the c. Which number is that? You can get that from the factors of c. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, so the two numbers should be this. Minus 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 7, and minus 3 times minus 4 is equals to positive 12. Okay, since we have noted this, let's replace this with this. X squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. What have we done? We have used this to replace this 7. And remember that minus 3x minus 4x is equivalent to 7x minus 7x, right? Okay, so repeat the expression again because you are going to bracket it for all the steps to be clean and clear. Do you see that? So what is common here? We have x. X squared divided by x will be left with 1x. Look at this. 3x divided by x. X will cancel x, left with 3, right? Then how do we get this x? X squared divided by x. X will cancel 1x, remaining 1, right? That's how we get this one. Good. Okay, we have, what is common here? 4. This is 4x divided by 4. 4 will cancel 4, leaving x here. Okay, 12 divided by 4, we have 3, right? Good. Now, the sign here and the one here is not the same thing, right? Clean this one. Put minus. Why? Because minus times minus is plus. And remember, the sign in the first bracket is always very accurate, more than the sign in the second bracket. That is if you don't understand minus times minus. Please, if you're following in this lesson, always click the thumb up button to say what I like it. Share with your friends for what easy understanding. Okay, so what is the next step? We will take the answered numbers together in one bracket. Did you see that? Then we now have what? To bring one of the brackets, because two of them are the same thing. X minus 3. Wow, this is our solving. So we did it. Well done. Let's do number 2 together. So in number 2 we have solution x squared minus 2x minus 15. So what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. So what are the two numbers that when you add you get minus 2x? The two numbers are what? 3 and 5. So the 3 will be in positive form while the 5 will be in negative form. Okay, let's bring down the question which says that x squared minus 2x minus 15, whereby we now have x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15. Do you see that? Okay, so once you have gotten this expression, repeat it again because you need to bracket it. Okay, minus 5 x minus 15. What is common? X. X divided 2x remaining 1. X divided 3x remaining 3. Minus what is common here? 5. 5 divided 5x remaining x. 5 into 15, 3. What sign will be here? Do you see that this one is positive and this one I want to be negative? No. Because negative times negative will give us positive. So you will change this sign to what? Positive. And remember that the sign in the first bracket is more accurate. So if you have been understanding my lesson, please support me by what? Clicking the like button, and also do what? Comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Very, very important. Okay, so we will take the outside numbers together in one bracket and bring one of the brackets since they are the same. At this junction, you have finished your solving.